Yeah, guys, thank you. Keep on watching Mwaka Mugenda. Asante sana. Yeah, right now we are in live on YouTube. Yeah, asante sana my fans, all the way from Kisumu, all the way from Nairobi, all the way from Mombasa. Thank you. Asante sana, Mungu abariki. Yeah, right now we want to start our session. And that's the main reason why I'm doing some settings here so that we can move together. Yeah, asante sana all my followers, mafans wangu, asante sana. So as we do it every day from Monday to Friday, we have a session called Bang Mogo. There's a session where we change idea, where we share idea. You know, long time ago in Africa, how we stay, how we do our things. Yeah, so let me start this session. Yeah, you know, a long time ago we have things like bonfire, we have things like wrestling. Yeah, but right now this generation have gone with all things. There's a lot of change. So that's the main reason why I'm coming up with this session. It's called Bang Mogo session. Thank you. Keep on watching. Asante sana. I see you. You are just there. Yeah, this is called Bang Mogo. And today, you know, this session, high percentage of it, I just used to teach our young generation. Yeah, because I myself, I grew up. By the time I was starting this journey of music, I grew up, I was taught how to play the instrument called nyatiti. So I visited many. I visited all around 6. Yeah, there's a guy called Udindo, there's a guy called Wamea, Okea Joringi. Yeah, so today I just want to talk about alcohol. Yeah, alcohol. And before we continue, I have a song saying, Wololololo, mugenda mako fwenya, tonyoro ni kongomera, to kongomera, apoka nindi yod dhako machuoro tho. Yeah, that song was played with a guy. There's a guy called Tony Nyadundo. Yeah, Tony Nyadundo. But the origin one is from Nyatiti. Yeah, it's a Nyatiti song. Yeah, Koblo Gilong Marateng is about Congo. Yeah, so I try to Afrofuse it little. So I have my Nyatiti here. So just watch. Let me take you back to Nyatiti vibe. Thank you. Yeah, you see my instrument. Yeah. So let me show you how it is. Chupche iluongo nogendo manywanda, ogendo tatu musumba kumoeringo ayaye putho nindo kech to chiemo ni ongana mano muofo kwanyo pesa medo mnagluyo to penyo to kara joma neno nadi kan makwanyo ta onge goni champong apaki osiepna ya ichielo wang'e ko wuod mama olo wuod mama odonga mapielo tho wang'e teko ka osiepna miluongo nolonga mapielo maloko tiende jek mothulo mheje malo olo kwacho radeng dhoge puot yae olo rafuok lewe bithu dhoge puot, rafuok lewe bith. Jakong'o madonjo kamuol, aparo osiepa maloya thum luongo Lukas maloa baba, radingo dhoge puot, rafuok lewe bith. Jakong'o madonjo kamuol kendo donjo kamuol, uwe ng'ado donjo e odi igamone kom, chieng' obet kodo piny eko luongo konge makata oluongo kong'o siling. Chieng' ai kwaye pesi to kare duoki maber aenga ni anyi, bonding'u meru yawa, bonding'u meru aburo goyi, bonding'u meru champum, bonding'u meru aburo goyi. Jayadhal kare uo siepna rafuok lewe bith, radingo dhoge puot. Kendo nyaka nwang'o wan gimoro miluongo oko, kendo nyaka nwang'o wan gimoro miluongo oko. Okor mar ariwa modhi ywago mar mare upunda mar ang'er, to punda neno tweyo mwalo ka wang' rangach, to punda neno tweyo mwalo ka wang' rangach, nyathi nene wuok mwalo ka wang' rangach, boneno punda, to punda nene golo nyime, to nyime marabora, to punda nene golo iwe, to iwe marabora, rabora karabora nagone thum. Nyathi nene wuok mwalo ka wang' rangach, boneno punda to mana ywak, no mama, no mama. Ana neno goro thuol gayo gi wendo ka wang' rangach yawa, eno thuol marateng' nagone thum, maloyo onge, nagone thum, maloyo onge yawa. Maburu ema juru, nagone thum, maburu ema juru, sepa gone thum, to pambo onge. To pambo onge, radingo dhoge puot, rafuok lewe bith. Nano siepa onge, mugenda nagona thum, anagona thum. Naparo yuora, mugenda ofwenya ken, anaparo yuora, ogora yuora, nyagoro lailon, called Ogola Sutrel. Yeah, it's called Ogola Nylon. Yeah, let's organize. Nice. Keep on watching. Let me share the link kindly. Just 1 minute. Sama paro yura nyakoro ya he ana paro gora nyakoro yura we aluongo gora winjo malo mugendo fwenya gen bangeni rogo kona bangeni rogo kona mugendo fwenya yo Jangoma ya watemi buzuna velo Janya titi olele Temi buzuna velo Gena nina winyo mano Mugena ya ye Goge nina winyo mano Mugena fwenya gen Bange nena wachona Mugena fwenya gen Tokongo nena ya champung Totumu nena tingo yawa Mugena manya siya Totene nena tingo mbero Mugena fwenya gen Togara nena tingo mugenda Banga di kugora Ana diga kugora Bange nena di kugora mugenda Mapiye mamur Mapiye mamur Nagora kanene la mugenda Mugenda fwenya yo Ogora mama Nyagoro mama Yeah Ogora kanene na jangoma Mugenda fwenya yo Yabere kanene na ga Mugenda fwenya yo Toto manalak Yeah Toto manalak Anatoy manalak Anatoy manalak To bangene no penya bongoma Imado kamare To bangene no penyo bongoma Inimado kamare yawa To bangene na koro kora Namado kongu changa Namado kongu changa Tokongo mokuomu Yawa kongo mokuomu Tokongo mokuomu Sirikalo yeniraji To bangene no mokongo Fatila jiel we waragi pare la chiel ndaza la chiel mugela mako fenya won ngoma ken manya we waya o malamat nokomone wa malamat yakwaro milu nokomone wa malo kayo yakwaro milu nokomone la mala yakwaro milu kalero mosario kanadiro tiro yagoro kona mugendo fanya ken nube bare tukawilo bare tuine windo ya abela winjo malo omidizela yo tago gichunya kawilo bare tuani windo kawilo bare enda windo yawa velo bare tuani windo okomone wa mala mugenda fwenya yo tonindo tera ale nindo tera ugenda kalero mosaboro diro tieno omunena mwoko kama genga maliel wololo magenga maliel nangoma magenga maliel to bangenera penjo gora nitimorina nyagoru yora gora nitimorina to gora kona kongo ngebe kongo miano ako dichuo no kongo dongebe kongo miano ako dichuo yeah. Togi mai wagulue sigando gora togi mawachunue sigando gora ogora manindo deo kendo ne mi nyagoro mugi nyaluogo igeri to nindo deo kendo ne mi ogora manindo na gembe kora chwich gembe kora cham togi maduoga wuoro wuodu boro to pinyi e chalo sukar to pinyi e chalo sukar wuoro ngoma Ojwaya kapinyi neneru takoni kwara nyoro komo mera apoka nini ododa koma chworo tho to kwara iwaga to kemi tero to poga tero. Yeah, that's how it is. Wow. Yeah, it's called Congo. Yeah, it's called Congo. Congo Chana. That song, by the way, we call it alcohol. So, in our community, as we Africa, not even Luo, I'm just trying to say all Africa. Yeah, when I say Africa, I mean all Africa. We have how our grandparents use alcohol. In which occasions they normally use this alcohol? Yeah, because right now in this generation, alcohol is for everyone. No age, no age. Sana sana changa. Yeah, where I came from, there's a alcohol called changa. Yeah, sana sana changa. So changa, then just everyone is drinking, but tunafaa tujue pombe inatumika in which occasion by the way, kwa sababu tukiangalia nyuma, pombe kulikuwa na age, hawakubali pombe ilikaa inatumika from age of 40. Yeah, age of 40, mature people pombe walikaa wanakunywa kuanzia 40 years kuendelea, and the main reason walikaa wanatumia pombe ni kupiga story, walikuwa wana pass message. Pombe haikuwa tu for everyone, there's a age we use it, they use age bracket. Yeah, so and that's the main reason right now everyone is just taking alcohol. So lazima tujue, because kama kwa sababu unapata right now vijana wakipata pesa ni pombe. Yeah, so si kitu mzuri, lazima wa focus, watengeneze vitu, they build something in future. Ndio maana ilikuwa inatumika na wazee. Ilikuwa inatumika na wazee. Yeah. So let me finish this song. Bango por kona kawelo bare mugenda toine wendo kawelo bare toine wendo kanela vicho mano mugenda fwenya yo ayumo como kanela tulo saboro quiero magenga emaliel bangene na konirura kayone na penjogora itimori galani na itimori nani agori itimori nani togora nyara e como no me ve como mi ano amo dichuo e como no me ve como mi ano amo dichuo ogora manino de yo kendo nindo nebit nindo na gebe kore chwich gebe kore chamugena upinyi yeyo jalo asukar upinyi yeyo jalo sukar kapinyi neneru takoni kwara tonyoro como mera apoka nini yore dako machuaro to tokwara kona ofwenyi tero topoka tero yawa nanderi lako topoka lako ugeni tero topoka tero wangoma ojene ma umadho gautang Ojane ma umado kongo, umado gauda. Kongo neno mi alago yura, kane polari, ala oyura nyariado. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Keep on watching Mwaka Mugenda. Yeah, it's all about alcohol. Tunaongelea tu pombe by the way. Yeah. Hey, wow. Pombe. Yeah. Hii ni kitu inaharibu vijana sana. High percentage of vijana, yani they don't concentrate kwa sababu ya pombe. Wako addictive na pombe bro. Yeah, they waste a lot of money. Instead of doing other things, they just wasting a lot. Wanaharibu pesa nyingi sana juu ya pombe. Unajua pombe ukiingilia, by the way, you can't. Huwezi jijenga. You can't move forward. Yeah, you can't move forward. You will be just there. And that's the main reason. Kwa wale ambaye watu ambaye wanajua how life is, wana prefer ili utumie hata bangi than pombe. But hizi vitu zote is not advisable. It's better to you abstain from these things. You just abstain, achane nazo. More better than other thing. Yeah. Because hey. Pombe inafanya na hamu matek sana. Yeah, thank you. Keep on watching Mwaka Mugenda. Asante sana guys. I like see you watching. Asante sana. Yeah, so let me see what I prepare for you there. I have some preparation. Yeah, let me see my book. Yeah, wanasema anything ambayo iko na kitu mbaya lazima kuwe na kitu mzuri. Yeah, even though they believe like that. Kwa kila kitu mzuri lazima kuwe na kitu mbaya. Hiyo kitu pia iko na vitu poa sana, lakini si poa. Effect zake ambayo ni mzuri is just they tell akisha kunywa atakwambia the reality. Hata kudanganya, atakwambia tu ukweli. Akwambia ukweli na ishi, anakwambia ya ni hivi na hivi. But hata kama anakwambia ukweli, the real thing bro, just abstain, chana nayo. Yeah, I know high percentage of us we use alcohol, but you know, today I work the whole day, so that's the main reason I'm tired. Lakini hata kama lazima tujifundishane, tujielimishe, naona, so that we can know these things. Tusikue tu hivyo. Yeah. Ni kitu ilikuwa inatumika kupiga tu story, just telling story. Ilikuwa tuna story session yake. Yeah, so that's all it. Yeah, let me give you one song by the way. you so much. That's called Retaneko Nyono Paka Pakayani. And that's the end of my session today. May God bless you so much. Keep on watching Makamugenda. Asante sana. I don't know how to appreciate you. This session is over. It's called Bang Mogo. We just only take 30 minutes just making story and some Nyatiti vibes. Yeah, right now I have to leave you and have a good night. Yeah. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Asante sana. Kuna matata. Until tomorrow, we'll have a session called Sunset and Evening Walk along the ocean. Asante sana. Want to stop the screen?